Hey everyone, okay, so today I thought we would do my favorite fragrances. Now you'll notice a theme here as we go along because I suffer from sensory headaches, which means that smells can trigger incredibly painful headaches for me, particularly floral scents. For some reason, they can cause me horrific headaches. I remember getting a sample of Charlotte Tilbury's Scent of a Dream, which some people adore. And it is so floral. It gave me the most whacking headache, just a whiff of it. Most of Tom Ford's fragrances give me a cracking headache. There's one I really like that there's no way I could ever use, which is the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. Horrific headaches. Okay. I like food fragrances. They're the only ones I can wear without any problem. So the Gourmand fragrances are the ones for me. So let me show you my favorite fragrances. First one is by Montal and it's called Chocolate Greedy. And to me, this smells like Terry's Chocolate Orange. It is beautiful. It is the fragrance that I use the most of all of them. I love it. My second favorite is, most of these are from Montal, is called Ristretto Intense Cafe. And this smells like freshly brewed coffee with rose. It is absolutely beautiful. Then there's also Intense Caf by Montal, which has more rose than it does coffee, but it's still in the Gourmand fragrance. Really nice, but the Ristretto one is much nicer. So Montal again, Vanilla Cake. All of these are mine, by the way, nothing sponsored in this video. Vanilla Cake smells exactly as you'd imagine. It's very, very vanilla, tiny bit of paste, tiny bit of sponge. It's beautiful. And Vanilla Absolute by Montal, which is just a beautifully strong vanilla fragrance. I don't quite know how to pronounce this next one. Let me have a look. So I believe it's called Macalat and it is by Montal. And to me, it smells like Strawberry Barbie. You know when you would get those kind of dolls and you take them out of the packet and they would smell? That's what it smells like. It smells like plastic Barbie. It's a peculiar fragrance, not one I love, but I would still use it and I'll use it up. But it's not one I love, but it's still really pretty. This one is by a company called Hock, not Ho, Hock. And it is 11 a.m. and it has fragrance of like raspberry jam, tiny bit of chocolate in it. It's really, really nice. And the longevity of that is incredible. The only one from Tom Ford I can use is called Lost Cherry. And as the name suggests, it is a very, very strong cherry scent. However, I managed to get a knockoff from Le Scents called Cherry, which smells almost identical, but it's not quite as strong and it doesn't last the same way, but it's a fraction of the price. And finally, this one is called Amour de Cacao, and it smells pretty much almost identical to the Montal Chocolate Greedy. The price range is about the same, so you're neither, you know, it's only a few pounds off either way. But these are the ones that I use and the ones that I wear. Majority of the time it's Chocolate Greedy. Whenever I wear it and if I enter some place that I'm unfamiliar with the people, there's usually a comment of what's that lovely smell. The other one is Ristretto, which is the Intense Cafe. I love the sudden burst of coffee. It is incredible. I love it. And if I want something to last all day, then Hock, because that 11 a.m., the raspberry, the chocolate, it's just so nice. These are my favorite fragrances. I'll put some links in the description bar. Let me know what your favorite fragrances are. Leave them in the list below. And also, if you get sensory headaches like me, let me know which ones cause you to have whacking headaches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.